Hi everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will explain you about the Wi-Fi problem in your device Poco M4 Pro and M4 Pro 5G. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's move toward the video. If you're having any issue regarding the Wi-Fi in your device Poco M4 Pro and M4 Pro 5G, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the Wi-Fi problem in your device.